Watercolor is easy. Have you ever heard anyone say that? Me neither. But I am here to tell you that watercolor is no more difficult to learn than oil, acrylic, or any other medium. The secret to success with watercolor is that you absolutely must purchase artist grade or what's called professional grade supplies. Buying student grade supplies is like taking your Shetland pony to the Kentucky Derby. No matter how much effort you put into that pony, it can never perform like a thoroughbred. Just as student grade materials can never produce the superior results that artist grade materials can produce. Artist grade materials are a little bit more expensive, but they are worth it. Hi, I'm Valerie Coe. Welcome to my channel. I've been a watercolor artist and teacher for over 12 years. In my upcoming videos, I will explain why artist grade materials are so critical, and I will give you a list of options for purchasing the supplies you need to succeed with watercolor. I hope this video has been helpful. If so, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.